Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and tonight is the last night for National Craft Month. I hope you've had a good time. We did vote on some of the crafts that we did, these projects that we did all throughout the month on Monday night on live. So if you want to go over and see those, check out that live video. I will link it below so that you can have access to it easily. And we did visit a little bit on there, so you may want to just scoot on towards the middle of the video to see all the projects. Well, not even all of them, but some of the projects that we did, and we voted on the ones that we liked. Also, just a quick reminder that I'm doing a giveaway in April on the 18th to celebrate when I hit 1,000 subscribers 3 years ago. And it doesn't seem like it should be 3 years, but if you are interested in subscribing, I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family. We have a lot of fun here. We do all kinds of different things. Sometimes we chat, sometimes we just get busy and creating something. So anyway, I have lots of interest, so we'd love to have you part of our YouTube family. All of those that are already part of my YouTube family, thanks for coming back. Tonight's video is we're going to dive into an unboxing of some Crafter's Companion purchases that I made. And oh my goodness, kind of went wild with it. But I'm going to show you everything I got. I have 2 big boxes here and a few things that I purchased from HSN. If you saw the picture that was on the thumbnail, that's just a couple of the boxes, and then here's one right here, and I will show you what's inside each and every box. So hang on and let's get to it. All right, I love Crafter's Companion, and they are based out of the UK. Sarah Davies is the founder of the company, and she creates some really fun paper crafting items and some different kind of things. And she's coming out with a brand new signature set that I did order, but they haven't sent it out yet. So they just had it on HSN last night. It's called the Vintage Diary. And since I love doing junk journals, I just fell in love with that kit, so I did order that. But that's not this. This is some other things, and they've been doing all kinds of specials this month. All right, let me show you what's in this first little box, and it is a big, huge set of pearl papers and metallic papers. So this is some beautiful, it's reflecting all my lights in here and all kinds of beautiful papers here. I'm not going to open them. There are 20 sheets of 5 colors. So there are 100 sheets here, and some really, really nice cardstock. So it's not just some inexpensive, like flimsy stuff. So it'll be fun to make things with that. I'm going to jump over to the HSN box. A lot of this stuff during National Craft Month has been on sale, and I just went ahead and purchased from HSN too, because you can get the 5 flex pays. I'm trying to get this stuff out of here. Anyway, and so if it was something that I really wanted, I went ahead and purchased it. So I'm going to open this package first and see what's inside. I don't know if you guys like to do paper crafts. If you like to do paper crafts, give me a thumbs up or a yes or something in the comments to just say that you love to do paper crafts. All right, this is a really fun set. These are Stampin' Dies that are all like different occasions. So like thinking of you, and this one is happy, and this one is love. So if you don't understand, you can get the metal die, and then you have stamps to create your cards with and different sentiments. This one says thanks, and this one is special. And these were all on sale. And this one's birthday. And I have a lot of Christmas, so I wanted to get some that were different occasions. All right, I'm just going to throw that on the floor. What do you guys think? Is that okay? Well, you're not here to have to pick it up, are you? I'll just have Leo do it. What do you think? Just get Leo to do it. All right, so in this package, this is the happy birthday. This is the expressions. And so it's really cool because you get the sentiment and then you get the cutout. So, and then you can use the inside and then you have the surroundings. So this one's best wishes. This one's happy birthday. And I did see her do these on her channel too, her YouTube channel. And then this one is sending hugs, which I love. I love sending hugs. So I'm excited to make some things. I think you guys will want to try these out too. And you can use like the same, you can use what you have and just use the techniques. And that'll be fun for you. All right, so now I'm going to open, ooh, this one is messy. How do I open this one? Hold on, I got to open this one's packed in a thing that's going to spill out. This is some more stamp pads, and so these are the Finesse stamp pads. This was a set that I could get, and these are all alcohol proof. So that one's upside down. So this one works. These work with the alcohol markers, like the tri-blend ones. And so this one is, what color is that? Flagstone. And this one is brown. And this one's black. And now I've got all the right dyes and pebble. So I have one stamp pad that's waterproof, and now these are the alcohol proof. So I'll be set to go on that. And then what is in this box, I wonder? This is like Christmas. And yes, I save my money and I don't spend it on a lot of things but Dollar Tree and crafting. So if you wonder. And then I give a lot of things away through our church or to friends, whatever. So it's fine. All right, this one is some of their special glues that they use on their for crafting a Crafter's Companion that I wanted to try because I'd never tried their glues before. So it's called Collal, and this is their tacky glue. So this would be kind of similar to Elaine's tacky glue. And then this is their solvent glue, and it won't be bumpy like on your papers. Anyway, so I wanted to try it. So you got two of each. And honestly, I don't have the price in front of me of what I paid, but you know, I wouldn't have bought it if it wasn't a good price. Now I have 2 boxes directly from Crafter's Companion. And I'm so excited to open it. I mean, I'm cutting the tape, you guys. It's so cool. Yeah, anyway. All right. So I'm fanning on Sarah Davies. And she commented on one of my pictures of one of my cards. So I was excited about that too. Yeah, it might not have really been her, but it might have been. I think she would do that. I think she would. Okay, let's see. All right, what is in here? Oh boy, just throw it on the floor. Okay, so I got some tape pins and the glue dots. So you can use the glue dots on your die cuts that you cut out that have lots of little tiny lines and stuff. And then the tape pen. I wanted to try that too because I wasn't sure the difference. I wanted to see how that was. Then I did get these 2. One is the deer and one is the giraffe. And these are so cute. These were drawn by an artist that Sarah actually had on her channel. And they're really, really pretty. And you can kind of see. So you stamp it, color it, and then you cut out part of it. And then you can use your watercolors or your alcohol markers or however you like. So that's the deer and the giraffe. Then they had a special, and if you ordered the tri-blend markers, which now I have more markers, you got a free case. So now I have a case, well, with lots of good tape. Here we go. Got a free case to put markers in to, you know, if I want to take them with me. And there we go. So I can put my markers in there, and very, very cool. Says Spectrum Noir. Has a nice little zipper here. Very, very cool. I think they were really, really cheap. Anyway. All right. So markers and Spectrum Noir. All right. Then I did get some of the alcohol tri-blend markers, which are really pretty. I got 6, which means there's 18 different markers, because that's why they call it tri-blend. So you have the lighter, the medium, and the dark color of these pretty jewel tones. All right, so I can't wait to play with those. I did get the small stamping. This is the stamping platform for small stamps, and helps you line them up. And then here's a stamping pad. All right, I might need the big platform though. I don't know. What do you guys think? And then I got some more of the waterproof inks. So like I told you, those other ones were the alcohol. These are the waterproof. So this is Flagstone in waterproof. And did you get 2? Oh, you get 2 of the same. 2 Flagstone, and then you get a brown and a black. And these are the waterproof. So the blue are waterproof. And then the alcohol are the black. They're finesse. All right, very cool. And I have one more box, so hang on. I really do think I need a bigger stamping platform than that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you use a stamping platform, or do you just, for your clear stamps, or do you use like just a block, or what do you use? Okay. And to be honest, I did order some other stuff too, but it's not here yet. All right. Okay, so this is just, woo. Okay. So here we go. What is in here? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is, I must have got that free, I think, or something. I don't know, because I don't remember ordering the 4x4. Okay, this is the Shape pop-up card. So this was on sale. This is like one of her subscription boxes. It would be number 34, and it does these pop-out cards. I'm sure you've seen them. They are really, really cute. And I think this one is Happy Birthday. I think this is what this one has in it. And so I wanted to try it without buying a whole bunch of them. And so if you can see, it pops out the whole thing like in the middle of your card. I think you guys will want to see that one for sure. For sure, for sure. All right. Then I ordered this fun set. So let's see how it's in here. Let's see. Okay. Let me see how they have it in here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This one is the Exploding Box Set. So what you get is the box that you put, let's see, is that right? This is the pop-up confetti box. Pop-up confetti box, and then the confetti box that you put them in. So when you open it, the boxes pop out, and you can put whatever confetti or whatever you want. So anyway, that's what this set is. And you get 15 pieces in this one and 17 pieces in this one. And you get the stamps to decorate, and then different metal dies to cut out pieces. Then this set is really what I wanted, and it'll be a fun project for us to do too. And it is the Ultimate Organizer set. So you get the metal dies to cut out all the pieces to create the organizer without having to think too hard about it and measure all that. And then these are stamps to go inside, which are really cool. So like your calendars, your virtual, you know, like, what do they call them? You know, no virtual calendars, but they're like, they're, let's see. It doesn't really say, but it's a calendar that, perpetual calendar. There we go. I know somebody was saying it. Say it, say it, say it, Cindy. Okay, and then this is like a to-do list. And then this one is some lined papers like, and maybe a ledger and a tab. And then this one is like your words, your months, different things that you want to use, Saturdays, Mondays, whatever, your day of the week. And so anyway, to make that organizer would be a really fun project. You can make multiples once you have, you know, the metal dies. So make it a lot easier than having to measure everything. And then I got some of the 3D glue. Has anyone ever used 3D glue? So I wanted to try it. I'm excited about it because you kind of use it in place of foam, like adhesive foam pieces. So anyway, and then guess what's in my box that I did order? I thought I ordered the bigger one. So this is the larger stamp platform. This is the 6x6. And you get another pad with it. And these were on sale. And I was going to get the 8x8. And now I think I want the 8x8. I'm a craft tools organizer collector. That's what I am. Anyway, I had fun going through my boxes with you, unboxing everything. I hope you had fun too. Happy National Craft Month. I look forward to doing many, many more crafts with you, and have a great evening.